A recruiter receives multiple resumes each day. It is said that on an average, a recruiter spends less than 6 seconds on a resume. The good old resume doesn't stand a chance anymore. So how do you make your application get noticed? A video resume. Send your video resume along with your traditional resume. It helps the recruiter to understand you better and remember you out of the 100 resumes that they received. So what is a video resume? A video resume is a short video introducing yourself, or more like promoting yourself to the recruiter or employer. You need to talk about why you are a good fit for the job and why they should hire you. It is the best way to showcase your skills, personality, and body language and creates an excellent first impression. A video resume is submitted along with a resume. It isn't a replacement for a resume or transforming it into a video format. It is an enhancement to your resume. A video resume is likely to leave a lasting impression compared to a regular paper resume and is usually a requirement if you're seeking for a job in the creative industry, media industry, or a client-facing job. So how do you create a video resume that looks professional even if you do not have any fancy tools? Firstly, make sure your resume is only between 30 to 90 seconds long. Recruiters do not have time to spend on your application. So keep it crisp and to the point, but impactful. Prepare a script. Make it personalized and specific to the role you're applying for. Mention the company's name a few times. This will definitely impress the recruiters as you've taken out the time to make it personalized and it shows how important the role is to you. Start with a greeting mentioning the company name and introducing yourself.
Hello VIOSA Learning. My name is Jivan Arana and I am a social media marketer.
Talk about your qualifications, experience and skills that are relevant to the job.
I am a mass media graduate with a specialization in advertising. I have worked as a social media and content marketer for a travel and EdTech company.
If you're good at editing, you could also get creative with your resume like this.
I use tools like Photoshop, Illustrator and Canva to bring my ideas to life. I can speak Hindi, English and French.
Speak about what you have accomplished. If you could quantify it, even better.
In my previous company, I have helped increase the website footfall by 30% and social media engagement by 60%.
You could also attach photos and video clips if required, showing proof of your work. Talk about why you are the perfect candidate for this role or why you are interested in this job.
As a strong communicator and someone who loves doing things out of the box, my skills lie in creating engaging reels, SEO compliant blogs, social media posts, designing creatives and filming videos.
Tweak your resume according to the job description put out by the employer. Conclude the video with a call to action like,
I think my experience and skills would make me a great fit for this role. I would love to connect with you over a call or in person. Thank you.
Now coming to how to shoot the video and the requirements. A phone or webcam. Make sure the camera quality is good. A lapel mic or headphone mic. Make sure to place it closer to your mouth. Place the camera at eye level and sit at a distance from the camera. You can ask someone to shoot the video or place it on a tripod. You could also keep it against the wall or stack of books. Make sure there is adequate lighting, a clear backdrop and a noise-free environment. Dress well. Do not sit with a formal attire on top and pajamas. Dressing well can elevate your whole feel and build confidence. Don't forget to smile. No matter what you do, a video resume is worth trying if you're applying for jobs. It's definitely not for everyone, but it shouldn't be avoided just because it's unfamiliar or difficult to start out with. We hope this video was helpful. For more such content, do not forget to subscribe. And for more job-related and AI programs, visit www.viosa.in.